Hey everybody, I'm going to give an 8 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time update on the lake effect snow event that's going to be hitting Chicago, Illinois pretty hard this evening. I'm going to give you 3 model runs and then we're going to look at an average and see kind of what to expect in the Chicagoland area. So I'm going to start with the North American model here. This is at 21Z, 2100 hours, so that's about 9 o'clock. So let's, if we go in the transition of time, this is midnight. You can see the snow starting at this point. Right here, you can see the lake effect band. I'm going to continue. After midnight, here's 3 a.m. This is going at about 6 a.m. in the morning. You can see the depth continuing. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. This is noon, and you can see after 12 o'clock. This is about 3 o'clock. It's still going to be snowing in the Chicagoland area, according to the North American model. This is 1800Z, so let's see what we got for that model. You can see on top of what we've had today, this is going to be from 9 o'clock to tomorrow morning. Another additional, looks like right on the city, about 11. You head a little bit north, there's probably 11 more inches coming tonight. Far Lake County, looks like you're getting a little bit less in the northwest. You can see McHenry County looking at about 7 inches tonight. You can see all around, if I go west of Chicago, you see 7, 8 inches tonight. The further south you go, you start to hit about 9, 10 inches down here. But right in the city is where you're looking at. City and parts north. So like you got Glenview, Skokie, Evanston. All of you guys are going to be hit pretty tough, maybe another foot of snow between now and tomorrow afternoon on top of what you had today. So it's a pretty big snow event for lake effect snow. So let's take a look at the short-term HRRR HRRR model. This is going to get a little more accurate. I've noticed this one's been a little more accurate on the few storms that have come through. And this goes by hour, which is a little more accurate. You can see this is tonight going into, that's midnight. You can see this model has a little bit different timing on this lake event. You can see the pink starting to form right here, right in the city and parts south. So if we continue on and I keep going, this is tomorrow, 7 a.m., 8, 9. Snow's still piling up. This is noon tomorrow. You can see the snow has, we got 13 inches now, 15 inches right at the city. Points north, about 11. Further out you go, there's a pretty strong cutoff between that lake effect band. You can see we're at 13, 12 and 13 inches. And then as soon as you go out, maybe probably Schaumburg, I would say that line of 53 south and 355 in the northwest suburbs. You look out here to McHenry County, you're looking at only 5 inches on this system. And then you come in a little bit past Lake Cook Road and you're looking at a foot. So huge contrast of snow differences right there, as you can see. And of course down south and over into Indiana, you're looking at some pretty large totals as well. But Chicago really is a bullseye, you guys. 13 inches, that's from 9 o'clock tonight until the next 15 hours or so. So that's pretty intense snowfall. Very intense, 1 to 2 inches an hour overnight. We're looking at the final model run. I believe, let's see, the North American model. I can't remember if I showed you that at the beginning, but you can see here, this is about 6 o'clock tomorrow night. This is coming in at about an additional 11 inches from now till tomorrow. Another foot in the Chicago area. So right here you can see right in the city and points north, you're looking at right along the lakeshore, you're going to be getting a foot at least. I can't remember if I showed the GFS. Let's go back and take a look at the GFS. Oh wait, this is the NAM. Let me look. Oops, sorry. Trying to toggle tabs. Here we go. Let's take a look at what the GFS is coming in at as an additional model run. This comes in real fast. So Tuesday at noon, Let's go Tuesday. Let's do Tuesday at 6 o'clock. Okay, so you can see that the GFS and North American model are coming in pretty similar in 11, another 10 and 11 feet. You can see right along the North Shore area of Chicago is going to be hit the hardest, right along that lake shore, and points south, northwest of the city. You're not looking as heavy at all. So definitely we're going to be impacted by this. Travel is going to be virtually impossible in these areas near Cook County. As the snow falls 1 to 2 inches an hour, I would recommend not driving if you don't have to. So that's a little update on the snowfall that we're expecting. Probably the largest snowfall we've seen, and this lake effect event is exciting for snow lovers. If you hate snow, well, hopefully you can just look out your window and admire it. That's all for now, guys. Have a good one.